How's it going? Everybody who knows me, welcome back. Those of you who don't know me yet, my name's Heather. All right, so I wrote this book recently called The Plant-Based Diet Meal Plan. I wanted to share with you one of my favorite recipes from inside. I actually posted a poll on Facebook and here on YouTube asking which recipe you wanted to see: applesauce crumble muffins or black-eyed pea burritos. And the winner by a landslide, which I was kind of surprised about, was the black-eyed pea burritos, which is exciting for me because it is gross, gray, cold, windy outside, and making something baked sounds awesome right now. So let's make them. They are a favorite of my best friend and I. We make them pretty much every time I go visit her because she loves them, her kids love them. They're easy to put together on a weeknight. You just throw a bunch of veggies, and we saute the veggies before we put them in the burrito because it saves a lot of time. You can also assemble it and put them in the oven and bake the vegetables in that way, but super time-saving tip is to saute the vegetables before you burrito them. So anyway, that's enough talk. Let's get cooking. First thing we'll do is preheat to 350 or 300 if you prefer. Then we'll chop up an onion and some garlic. They look so cute together. I'm using red because it's pretty, but any color will do. Look at that juice. I've got a little bit of water in my pan here, so I'm going to throw my onions and garlic in there. You can use olive oil, water, vegetable broth. Red wine would also be lovely to saute these. And then just toss them around a little bit while you chop up the other veg. We'll get some zucchini in the mix here. And at this point, I'm also gonna add a pinch of sea salt so that it doesn't dry out too much. The onion and garlic starting to stick a bit, so I'll add just a touch more water. Green pepper, you can use any color. And to be honest, I have to confess, I don't really like green pepper. If I had a choice, I would put orange in here because it would be a nice color contrast. But green is what came in my farm bag this week. So I'm gonna hide it in some burritos. But we've also got some tomato to add some red and keep things juicy in here so I won't have to keep adding water to the pan. So that's all the veggies. You can mix and match. Mushrooms are another favorite in here. But next up, we're gonna add some black-eyed peas. I've actually got some mixed beans here. You can use whatever type of bean you like. And we're gonna season them with some chili powder. You can use more or less if you like. I like things pretty spicy on these, so I'm putting 2 full teaspoons in there. And if you like, you can also add some salsa. I like making it pretty juicy. And this is a store-bought salsa, but it's fairly whole foods. Or you can make your own salsa, whatever you prefer, or you can just leave it out if you want to keep it a little drier. But I find the flavors come together a lot nicer if there's a little bit of salsa in there. So just stir that together, and then we're gonna get some whole grain wraps out, wrap these up, and get them in the oven. Got my little wrapping station going on here, so I'm gonna spoon some of this mixture right down the center of the wrap. If you like vegan cheese or sour cream, feel free to scoop some in there as well. That's a little too much. I gotta keep myself from putting too much inside. And then just fold the ends in like so. Fold the top over. I gotta spin it. Fold the top over, get all the stuff wrapped up in there, and then fold it over, and then you're going to put it folded side down in the baking dish. And then move on to wrap number 2. Honestly, I hate these wraps. They always fall apart on me, but I don't really have any other options where I live. So that's going to be it. I only have 2 left, so I'm only gonna make 2 for now, but I've now got all this left that I can either make a bowl, like a burrito bowl, or I can get more wraps and do that later. Another nice touch is if you wanna just spoon a little bit of salsa on top. It keeps them from drying out and makes them super flavorful. Also great if you like vegan cheese, you can sprinkle some on top here. Then we want to get these in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes. Well, that is now a pretty fine looking meal, wouldn't you say? We could even put some of the leftover burrito mix on top of the kale. I don't even notice the green pepper in there. This is perfect. That is so exactly what I wanted right now. It's getting dark out. It's cold. This is perfect. Some other nice things you could do here. Put some vegan sour cream or some guacamole on top. Anyway, super, super yummy. Hope you enjoy it. You'll find the recipe over on my site. And if you've not yet pre-ordered the book, go ahead and do that. You'll find directions below this video and on my website. You get lots of delicious plant-based recipes like this one, breakfasts, lunches, dinners, plus a 3-week meal plan. And you cannot beat the price on this one. So go check it out. I'm gonna go eat some burritos and we'll talk soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Veganook, yeah.